How's it going, guys? My drone is still in pretty sad shape. It's in shad shape. But I did get my magnetometer working, so this can detect the Earth's magnetic field, and that's really nice. I still need to, I just finished kind of piecing it together and getting it to work, but this is able to basically orient the drone. And I also have this barometer on here, which I think I already made a video about. I made this today too. I think it's kind of pretty to be able to hook all the sensors together for the, let's see, what are the pins? They are the, it's the clock and the data pins. So yeah, that's for the sensors. And because this motor is still not working, and I'm still waiting several days for the motors to come because I got some higher torque ones. Anyway, I've been playing with this little Elegoo robot car kit that I got for my birthday like a year and a month ago. So I'm thinking I might even want to try to hook up my controller to it for tomorrow, so I have something to play with, since 3D printing isn't keeping me busy enough. Haha. Anyway, that's what's going on. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the videos, and we'll see you in the next video.